And I'm James Cuellar.
And we are here with your weekly climate podcast brought to you by the Oklahoma Weather Lab and the Southern Climate Impacts Planning Program. And this is starting on November 2nd, 2018.
Yes.
So today we are going to be talking about how dry and also how wet it will be for the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day. We also have the brand new November temperature and precipitation outlook for you. And we've also got some information on your winter weather. So James, jump on ahead to the 6 to 10 day temperatures.
Well, the vast majority of us are going to be seeing below average temperatures, particularly across the center of the country. However, the coastlines are still going to be seeing that persistent warm weather pattern, so that's something to keep in mind if you live on the coast. Now, in terms of precipitation, that wet weather pattern is starting to shift a little bit off to the east, so that your eastern states are probably going to be seeing the most precipitation over the next 6 to 10 days. And then off to the west, that dry weather pattern that we've been seeing developing is going to be a little bit more persistent, so expect drier weather conditions across the western states. So how about the next couple weeks?
So for the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, if you like colder weather, this is good news for you because most of us in the central and even northern states are going to be seeing below average temperatures for this time frame, while along the western coast and Florida, they are going to be seeing above average temperatures for the 6 to 10 day time frame. And then as for precip, again, that chance for above average precipitation again shifts more east, so the highest chance for that above average precip is along the eastern coast, while we still have those drier conditions more towards the west.
Yes.
And then November outlook, I'm so excited about this.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so across the western states and across the immediate eastern Atlantic coast, we will be expecting those above average temperatures to be dominating the month of November. However, in the center of the country, those below average temperatures will be sticking around for many of us in the center of the country. Now, what about the precipitation outlook for November?
The precipitation outlook, most of us, again, are going to be seeing that above average precipitation across all the central and the eastern states, with the highest chance for the above average precipitation in places such as Illinois, Indiana, and up through Pennsylvania and even New York. But I know you all want to know about this winter weather outlook, so what's going on with ENSO?
Well, this is a chart showing us what the percentages of that we'll be seeing El Nino throughout the winter months. And as you can see, we're seeing a pretty high chance that we're going to be seeing El Nino conditions across the majority of the winter and into the spring. And what kind of weather is that going to bring us?
So when we have this El Nino pattern, majority of the states are going to be seeing drier and warmer weather up towards the north, and then towards the south they have the cooler weather. And because of that subtropical jet, which you can see with those arrows right there, it is bringing more moisture into the Pacific and the Gulf of Mexico. So it's going to be cooler, and it's going to have some more wetter conditions. So once again, this podcast has been brought to you by the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab and the Southern Climate Impacts Planning Program. We do these podcasts and post them every Friday.
Yes.
Where we watch this.
Well, you're going to be watching us on Facebook and on YouTube. Be sure to follow the Oklahoma Weather Lab on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube.
Have a great week, everyone.